Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find and copy your DOX deposit address on OKX so that you can be able to claim your DOX coin into your OKX account during airdrop. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take is to go over to your OKX account. So let me tap on my OKX app to open it right away. So guys, once your OKX app opens up and you've signed into your OKX account, the next step you have to take now is to tap on Exchange. You can see there at the top, make sure Exchange is selected, not wallet. Tap on Exchange, you can see the arrow, so you can see guys it's already selected. So guys, now after that, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see deposit. You can see there the black button, the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see we have two options here. The one you have to go for is the one written I have crypto assets. You can see where it is written down there, deposit crypto. That's the one you have to tap on. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see here is the next step. What you have to do now is to select the crypto that you actually want to copy the address for. And for you to do that, you have to search out the crypto. And the crypto you have to search out right here is DOX. So guys, now for you to search it out, what you have to do now is to tap on the search icon at the top. You can see there, let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to type in DOX. So let me type it, DOGS. So guys, now you can see the search result right there. So what you have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there, select deposit network. So guys, you have to choose the right network, and the right network is TON, because DOX is launching on TON. So guys, now you can see there, DOX-TON. So guys, that's the right one you have to go for. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me select it. So guys, now you can see this notification. You can see what's written there, comment is required. DOX-TON deposits require comments to be filled on your withdrawal platform, otherwise you will lose your assets. So guys, this notification is very important. It's very important you copy your DOX deposit comment, or what is called your DOX deposit memo or your DOX deposit tag. They are all the same thing. So guys, I'll show you guys how you can do that, how you can copy your comments or your DOX deposit memo. Let me tap on OK. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to copy your DOX deposit address and your DOX deposit comment or your DOX deposit memo. So guys, now you can see that encircled area, that's your DOX deposit address. And for you to copy it, you have to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see copied. So guys, now let me show you guys how you can copy your DOX deposit comment or your DOX deposit memo. So guys, now you can see that encircled area right there. That's your DOX deposit comment or your DOX deposit memo or tag. So guys, now for you to copy it, you have to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see copied. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can find and copy your DOX deposit address and also your DOX deposit memo or comment on OKX. So guys, it's that easy, and I've come to the end of this video, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.